going to love the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.